Hello and welcome to SIFT. I'm Suki, Foreign Trade Account Manager. Today we are in episode 10. In this episode, I'll make a brief introduction of our pleated filter elements. Pleated filter elements can be widely used in metallurgy, casting, food, cement, mining, battery, chemical industry, and other industries. Our filter cartridges offer superior efficiency by reducing emission concentrations, increasing system air volume, and simplifying cleaning, all while cutting costs and energy consumption through reduced pressure differential and cleaning frequency. With a durable integrity structure, they extend filter life, minimize maintenance, and are easy to assemble and disassemble, ensuring reduced downtime and operational costs. The large pleated filter cartridges feature a robust structure made from fingerprint-resistant board, stainless steel, spray-cooled plate, or plastic, and utilize high-performance filter media such as two-component continuous long-fiber spunbond polyester, spunless, needle-punched high-temperature material, and cellulose polyester hybrid material. Our filter material features a tight pore structure with improved wire resistance and filter life, capable of independently supporting pleated filter media without additional internal frames. Our pleated fine filter cartridge achieves ultra-low particulate emissions, increases system air volume by over 30%, reduces dust removal system pressure difference by 20% to 60%, and extends filter life to over 5 years. Our pleated filter cartridge technology combines a robust and stable hot melt adhesive striping process with ultrasonic welding reinforcement at strap joints, featuring double-layer struts inside and outside for added durability. Additionally, the cartridges include a galvanized punching plate inner mesh and the bottom structure made from either polyurethane integral, casting, or metal, ensuring enhanced overall durability. Our pleated cartridge solutions for existing dust collectors reduce emission concentration, increase filter area and system air volume, lower filtration wind speed and system pressure differential, extend service life, reduce maintenance costs, increase dust settling space, and prevent erosion and wear at the bottom of the filter bag. The new dust collector reduces height and takes up less floor space. Reduce the number of filters to reduce the rising wind speed, and increase the air volume to optimize the dust cleaning effect. The following are our filter element models and parameters. Our product's performance, validated by variable environmental simulation analysis testing, boasts improved outlet emissions with a 5:1 AC ratio, 0.5 micron particulate filtration, and an inlet loading of 30 grains ACF 69 gram per cubic meter while reducing differential pressure. Our production process and product details ensure high-quality outcomes with meticulous attention to every stage, from material selection to final assembly. For more specific information, please visit SIFT official website. See you next time!